Welcome to Comprehensive Guide to Midjourney Commons and Parameters. For newcomers, Midjourney Commons and Parameters may seem daunting at first glance, but most find they grasp these concepts faster than anticipated. This tutorial will delve into each command, parameter and advanced prompt method, explaining their functions in detail. So, let's break down the differences. Parameters start with two dashes. They might be mixed up with commands, but they're not quite the same. You use this to tweak individual Midjourney prompts, changing what they create. Commands begin with a slash. They are for adjusting Midjourney's overall settings, like making everything you make private or changing how fast things get made. Advanced prompts work in different ways. This includes a lot of stuff like adding pictures to your prompts or making some parts of your prompt more important than others. Let's go. Parameters. Parameters are specific to different generations. To specify parameter, use dash dash followed by the parameter name and any required variables. Parameter names are often abbreviated. And here you have the list of Midjourney parameters that work with the latest version. Aspect ratio changes the aspect ratio of a generation. The default is 1:1, square, and you've already used this parameter in previous lessons. Chaos changes how varied and unpredictable your results are, and the default is 0. Fast, relax, and turbo mode. Midjourney offers 3 different modes: relaxed mode, fast mode, and turbo mode. Each mode generates images at varying speeds and consumes different amounts of fast hours. You can use dash dash fast parameter to activate fast mode, overriding your current settings. Similarly, the relax parameter will enforce relax mode. And lastly, the turbo parameter will enable turbo mode regardless of your current settings. Image weight. The parameter image weight is used to adjust the strength of the image prompt compared to the text prompt during image-to-image generations. The value can be set between 0 and 2, and by default, the value is set to 1, which represents equal strength for both prompts. Setting image weight to 0 is equivalent to not using an image prompt at all. No. No and anything you don't want. Negative prompt, write what you don't want after 2 dashes. For example, no table removes table from a scene. Quality. Quality parameter allows you to specify the desired rendering quality time for image generation. You can set different value, and the higher values result in more GPU minutes being used, while lower values consume fewer GPU minutes. Repeat. Create multiple generations from a single prompt. It's great when you want to test a prompt and get many results at once. Seed. Using the same seed number and prompt in Midjourney will result in similar ending images. By specifying a seed number, you ensure that the image generation process starts with the same initial conditions, which leads to consistent outputs. If you don't provide a seed number, Midjourney will generate the one randomly, resulting in different images each time the model is run with the same prompt. Stop. Use the stop parameter to finish a generation midway through the generation process. Style. The style parameter in Midjourney allows you to specify a particular style for the generated images. This is different from the stylize parameter, which controls the strength of Midjourney's default style. Midjourney offers multiple styles, which can be seen as mini models based on the base models. Here are available options for the style parameter. For Midjourney version 5.1 and 5.2, you can use Style Raw to enable raw mode. Raw mode is less opinionated, resulting in potentially more interesting and diverse results. For Midjourney 4, you have the options Style 4A, 4B and 4C, and each style has a slightly different aesthetic. By specifying the desired style using the style parameter, you can influence the artistic appearance of the generated images in Midjourney. The stylize parameter in Midjourney controls the strength of the platform's default aesthetic style on the generated images. You can specify the strength of the stylization using the stylize parameter followed by a number or abbreviated option followed by the same number. The number specified with the stylize parameter influences how strongly the default Midjourney aesthetic style will be applied to the generated images. Higher values result in more stylized images, while lower values lead to less stylized outputs. Tile. The tile parameter in Midjourney generates images that can be used as repeating tiles, enabling the creation of seamless patterns. By utilizing this parameter, you can generate images that seamlessly repeat both horizontally and vertically, allowing for the easy creation of patterns and textures. Version. The version parameter in Midjourney allows you to specify a particular version of the platform to use. You can use this parameter to switch between different versions of Midjourney and compare their results. By switching between different versions of Midjourney, you can explore and compare the various capabilities and features and improvements introduced in each version and choose the one that best suits your needs for generating images. Weird. The weird parameter in Midjourney allows you to explore unusual aesthetics and subjects in the generated images. By specifying a number between 0 and 3000 with the weird parameter, you can adjust the level of weirdness in the generated outputs. It is important to note that the weird parameter is different from the chaos parameter. While weird focuses on exploring unconventional aesthetics and subjects, chaos introduces randomness and unpredictability in the generation process. And it is recommended not to overdo the weird parameter, as even a small amount of weirdness can significantly impact the aesthetic and subject matter of the generated images. Advanced prompts. Advanced prompts are similar to parameters, but don't have a set way to use them. You need to remember how to use them or look back at the lessons if you forget. We'll go over how to use them in the next lesson. Image prompts. One of Midjourney's standout, yet often overlooked capabilities is its ability to create new images by drawing inspiration from the content and style of the existing ones. This is achieved by incorporating a link into an existing image in your prompt and then crafting the rest of the prompt in the usual manner. Remix. The remix feature in Midjourney allows you to modify your prompt after clicking the variation buttons. This mode is perfect for those seeking extensive customization options post-prompt. To enable remix mode, use the command /prefer remix or access it through the settings command and activate the remix mode toggle. Additionally, remix mode lets you use new parameters, including the ability to switch the Midjourney version during the remixing process. Multi-prompts and prompt weights. Double colon. In Midjourney, using a double colon between phrases creates a heartbreak, signaling that these are distinct concepts. Following the double colon, you can place a number to assign a weight, indicating the relative importance of that specific part of the prompt. Having completed this lesson, you should now have a basic grasp of Midjourney's fundamental commands and parameters. To enhance your proficiency with this tool, it's crucial to engage in practice and experimentation. Best of luck on your journey!